Hello guys. Today we'll be talking about our new assignment that I posted today, and it's called Ramadan. Let's see, right here. And this is what it looks like in Arabic. So the only thing you really need to do is go to your Ramadan hyperdoc. It is made by Google Drawings, so it'll be looking a little bit different than your regular Google Doc, but it works exactly the same way. First of all, observation of Ramadan begins on April 23rd. It's this week, I believe it's on Thursday. And it would be nice to know what some of our classmates are going through. We did cover quite a few religious celebrations around the year, the school year already. And all of you had to present your favorite holiday. A lot of our Muslim students talked about Ramadan, but we did not talk extensively about what it actually is. So here's our chance to take a look at what they actually go through. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to click on the Ramadan Hyperdoc, and this is what it's going to look like. Told you it looks just like regular Google Docs, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to complete. So if you do one step every day, 5 days in a week, it's nice and easy. You can make it happen without any complications. So the step number 1, click on YouTube picture and watch a video about Ramadan celebration. When you click on it, it's going to give you a link for a YouTube video. When you go to YouTube video, please set your subtitles into the native language. It will help with comprehension a lot, especially if your English is not really advanced yet. After you watch the movie, you are going to actively learn and read two articles about Ramadan. So when you click on it, it's going to take you again to a link, like it happens the same way it usually does. You click on it, you sign in with your Google Classroom credentials, the same way we always do it. Kind of slow, but it's working. I guess we should be grateful. Okay, so if you look for all of the assignments, here are the two articles you need to work on. Why Ramadan is called Ramadan? 6 questions answered. So you read this one and work on it. The second one is Hungry Happy Ramadan. Read, go through all the questions. It will help you with comprehension about what kind of celebration holiday that is. Then, after you finish reading those two articles and answer questions, you're going back to your hyperdoc and you go to type to your third step. Watch a quick video about Ramadan food. Set your subtitles to your native language. Every time you watch a YouTube video, please, please, please set subtitles to native language. It will help with comprehension. And then you're not going to tell me that you don't understand what's going on. So when you click on it, it's going to take you again to a YouTube video about different types of food that Muslims eat during Ramadan. Again, it's going to give you a pretty good idea about what people eat, how it's celebrated. If you have never done it before, if never heard of it before, it will be an eye-opening experience. For my Muslim students, we need your expertise. Please step in and add a lot more information, especially when we will be working during our Zoom classes on Tuesday and Thursday. You will be absolutely the best teachers for the rest of us when it comes to this holiday. Step number 4, and you will have to do 2 things during this step. So first of all, you need to click on the slides and make a copy, complete your project, and insert a link into for your project. So when you click on the slides, it's going to open like this. And the first thing you do not type in here. Go to File, go to Make a Copy right here. File, Make a Copy. And where is it? Come on. There. So make a copy and entire presentation. Make a copy of your entire presentation and save it in your Google Drive. Only after that you can start typing your answers. Do not type it in my own slides, because then everybody will be adding information. It's going to be a nightmare. So file, make a copy, entire presentation. When you do that, you go through the entire presentation and you're going to add information to it. The slides were already pre-made for you. It should be very, very easy. So Ramadan report presented by, here you will put your first and the last name. Make sure your first and last name begin with capital letter. Those are names. We need to have them capitalized. If they will not be, trust me, I will take points off for your report. Slide number 2. What is Ramadan? Click here to add text. So again, in your own copy, you will be providing information. Everything you've learned from the articles that you read in Actively Learn, everything you've learned from 2 videos that you watched, type up information here. Make sure every sentence is capitalized. Make sure you do have punctuation marks. Make sure that you have all of the names. They have to be capitalized. Please check what you write, read it a couple of times, check for mistakes, and only then say, okay, this slide is good. I'm moving on to the next one. Slide number 3, pictures of Ramadan celebration. You can Google Ramadan celebration pictures and insert a couple of them. Get at least 4. It will give you and the rest of us a pretty good idea what it looks like. My lovely Muslim students, if you have your own family pictures, please, 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 I'm begging you, please add them to this slide. It will be an amazing treat for the rest of us to see the authenticity of Ramadan celebration right here in San Antonio with the people we know. Slide number 4. When is Ramadan celebrated? So again, all the information you found in your videos, in your Actively Learn articles, type it up. It's not once a year. It's not the same day that we have it like Christmas or Easter or Hanukkah. It's a moving date. So please explain it. Provide all the information. Again, make sure your sentences are capitalized. Make sure you have punctuation marks. Check everything before you move to the next slide. And the last slide is something I would like to learn more about is, and then whatever it is that you still do not know, but you would like to know, tap it up there. Going back to HyperDoc. Now, you finish your Google Slides. Your project is finished. So what you need to do, you will need to insert your slides right here. You already have mine right here. That's the one that I made. Now you need to insert your project right here. So you will go back to your slides. You will click on share link. It gives you the link right here. You will click on copy link. You're done. Going back to your HyperDocs, and you will highlight this part. Click on insert link, and now you can put the link of your slide right here in your HyperDoc. Okay. Now we finish with step 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only one more step left, and this will be your quiz. Click on a picture and take a quiz. So when you click on it, you have a link popping up for your quiz. There are only 5 questions. Every answer is worth 20 points. So please make sure you answer it correctly. You miss one, you got one wrong, it's already 80. You missed 2, it's already 60. You will be able to take your quiz only one time, because if you take it 20 times, 40 times, I will put your grade in only for the first attempt. So take it seriously. Do not message me later on asking if you can retake it. No, you can't. So we have new assignment. It is due next week on Monday. You have a whole week to complete it, plus the weekend, of course. And we do have 3-day weekend, so you have plenty of time, even if you have to work during the day. If you have any questions about this assignment, you will be able to ask those questions during our Zoom lessons on Tuesday and Thursday. And if you really cannot figure things out, you need to text me and request a private tutorial, and I will get on Zoom with you one-on-one, and we'll go through the entire assignment again, and I will be able to answer all of your questions. For now, that's it, and hopefully I'll see you during your Zoom lesson.